So the favorite part of learning here was that I got to interact with a lot of people, like different kinds of people, artists, musicians, writers, performers, and that just widened my perspective by a lot. Second would be the faculty here is really amazing. So it's just a matter of asking, and no matter what kind of doubt or query you have, it will be solved by the end of the day. Third is the space itself, the infrastructure. Like we have multiple studios here. We have interlinked studios, so like there's a lot you can do with this. So yes, my approach towards mixing, recording and production has changed a lot because I came across a lot of situations that I hadn't before, and I learned a lot of new things that I didn't know about. This is also because I worked with different kinds of people. I observed their process, and that in turn morphed my own process. So yeah, my philosophy about everything that I do has changed drastically.